We're here about to embark on a trip to investigate one of the best preserved wrecks in British waters.
So you picked it up on the boat sonar?
I definitely convinced myself there was some form of structure there.
For 750 years, this ship has kept its secrets just metres beneath the waves off the coast of southern England.
So we were just diving on some anomalies, and luckily it was this glimmering out of the sand.
So Tom's just gone in the water, and we are incredibly fortunate to have a live feed connecting us to him.
So what you're seeing here is the north end of the site.
This is a huge global industry of Purbeck marble. Oh my god, it's huge.
My word.
That's a big one.
Join us on YouTube for a brand new Expedition Crew episode.
Bit choppy, but you found your sea legs, didn't
I
you?
found my sea legs eventually.
As we venture out into the English Channel to have a look at a medieval shipwreck.
There was one moment I may have been a little unwell.
Let's climb aboard.
Join Time Team on Patreon to access exclusive 3D models, masterclasses and behind-the-scenes insights.